Bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation is an integral part of your cash flow control. It helps to verify that the amount of cash you think you have in your bank account ties in with the balance your bank shows. At first glance, it seems nothing could be easier than compare and check if amounts on the bank statement are compatible with your company records. But in fact, those two will seldom agree. You are likely to find items on the bank statement that do not match any records on your company book, and vice versa. The most common reasons for that are as follows. You can have items recorded as payments on your company book, but you will not find them in the statement, because, for example, your issued checks have not yet been presented to the bank, or you received cash and haven't managed to deposit money with the bank before the statement was issued. In the same way, some items on the received bank statement may seem new to you. Bank may have made some automatic payments against your account, such as bank service charges. Or some payments could have been received, for example, a transfer from a customer. And also, there may appear errors made by the bank or in your company book. Add to the possible discrepancies hundreds of documents you issue and receive every day, and a vital for business procedure can turn into painful and time-consuming routine, but not with Herbst Insight. Herbst Insight automates the greater part of the reconciliation procedure, makes the process less complicated and much more accurate. After you carry out bank reconciliation with Herbst Insight, you can be comfortable that the account balance shown by the program is up to date and true to life. Go to the Bank Reconciliation view. In the top pane, all statements of the selected account entered to the system are listed. In the bottom pane, transactions are displayed. By default, these are transactions entered to the system within the time period the selected statement covers. In other words, by default, the program shows transactions which are most likely to be covered by the statement. Also, you may change the period. Let us reconcile this bank statement. Create a new statement in the program. Statement in Herbst Insight keeps two records from the corresponding bank statement. They are statement and date and statement and balance. Enter data and click Save. In the statement pane, you can see the statement not reconciled balance delta. As soon as it equals to 0, the statement will be reconciled. This figure presents difference between this and previous statement and balances that has not been matched to any book document. Not reconciled and balance shows the sum of the not reconciled amounts of this and all previous statements. If you keep these two columns side by side, you will find when and where contradictions started. You can also see figures related to the book, such as book not reconciled balance delta, for example. If it is not 0, then you have documents in the book that refer to this statement in time and are not matched to any statement. Book not reconciled and balance shows the sum of book amounts that are not matched to any statement. Book not reconciled and debits and credits are the breakdown of the book not reconciled and balance. In the Reconciliation Details pane, you see all book documents entered to the system during this statement period and unreconciled items from previous statement periods. They are not reconciled, therefore they are marked pink. Now it is easy to match book items to bank statement items. Highlight book documents that have correspondences in the statement and click the Reconcile button. Enter statement date and click OK. If some bank statement items do not have correspondences in your book, like these bank service charges, you can instantly create such a document and reconcile it at once. Click the New button or Ctrl-N and select what kind of document you want to create. This statement's date is already entered to the new document. So enter details, and as soon as you click Save, the document is posted to the system and matched to the statement. Statement not reconciled balance delta is 0, so bank reconciliation is complete. Book items that do not appear on this bank statement are likely to be on the next one. For the sake of your convenience and to avoid confusion, records in Reconciliation Details pane are marked as this book, previous or next books according to the statements they refer in time span, and this statement, previous or next statements, according to the statements they are matched to. Documents are also set off in different background colors. Not reconciled documents are pink. White are documents from this book reconciled to this statement. Green are those from previous books in this statement or from this book matched to next statements. And finally yellow. They are documents of this book matched to previous statements or from next books reconciled to this statement.